Hi there, Chris Fox here. We're at the TMC today, and we are working on Edmundston inside the shop. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue the work which we've done before by removing the BN truck. So this truck's got to come out and we will do some floor work underneath. So come on along and I'll show you how that's going to be accomplished. So here we are under Edmundston, under the BN truck, and we are going to remove this truck on the drop table. So first off, what's attached to the BN truck is the handbrake, and that's the handbrake chain. So that needs to come out because it's attached to the truck here. So I've already gone ahead and removed the cotter pin. So you would just take the pin out. That, and then we would pull the chain, and instead of leaving the chain dangling like that, we'll pull the chain through the eyelet, and we'll just set it aside. So that part is done. The next part is the center pin, and I've gone ahead and pulled it because I can't do it with holding the camera and everything else. So the center pin is a split pin in these, and this is what the center pin looks like. And here's what they are. Okay, three pieces. You have a piece like this, a piece like this, and a piece like this. Okay, so what they do is they use the wall here. They sit like that inside the car. And you put that in and you hook this onto a ledge that's in the car, and that one hangs. Then you take this one and put it up the hole again, and you put this one here, and it would sit like this. Like that. And then in between that, you take the wedge, and the wedge goes in here. So you have three pieces, and the wedge is driven up to hold these against the flange, and then in here you put a pin and a cotter, and that's what holds the truck together up inside this hole here. And if I can get a light up in there. Okay, so that's the center pin for the car. All right. The third thing that we need to do is undo the air line for the brake cylinder line. So it's been undone too, so it's sitting there on top of the truck, but it goes into that fitting up there. Okay, so now we're ready to drop the truck. Everything okay? Okay, look under the car, make sure you don't see anything, that I forgot anything. Okay, going down. Okay.
After the inspection of the center bearing, you can see there that the vertical wear plate is broken and will need to be replaced, as well as the phenolic center bearing wear plate needs replacing. We were able to buy a phenolic center bearing wear plate from Via. You can see the difference between the new and the worn one. Brian Craus spent most of Saturday night needle scaling the truck frame and inspecting the brake rigging and pins. This is what the center bearing looks like after the wear plate is installed and greased, as well as the bolster on the car. Once that was done, we were able to reinstall a truck. Stay tuned for more on Edmundston as the restoration continues. Thanks for watching.